Part 2. Really getting her first bath. Of course, she's kind of jumpy, but she's good. Got her into the spout. We had her all lathered up. And now we're into the house. Then we're going to dry her. And then she's going to head on to the vet tomorrow. Get her self-checked out.
Okay.
Yay!
Oh, rinsed.
Yay! That's a good girl, Ruby. That's a good girl.
All right, Ruby.
Alright! Go, Ruby! Here, found her.
Yep.
Here. Come here.
Okay, she needs to be gently.
Alright. No, I got the camera.
What she needs to know, sit down in here because this room will stay warmer. You sit down by the, turn her towards the furnace, and you need to get the excess water off of her.
Alright, can you hold this and like film her? Hi. Getting sleepy. You turn the heater on?
Mm-hmm. Don't you feel it?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of give her body a rub, honey. She needs to get that extra water off of her.
What you think, Ruby Roo?